Welcome to my channel, Absolute Quiz Blitz. In this video, let's play the fun and interesting game. Would you rather, Mystery Gift Edition? There are 40 rounds and 5 seconds of time is allotted for each round. Test your luck and don't forget to share your best choice in comment section. Let's get started. Before starting, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell for more interesting videos. Would you rather, want to stay in penthouse or want a mystery box? Would you rather, have unlimited food or want a mystery box? Would you rather, have pet puppy or want a mystery box? Would you rather, want to eat chips or want a mystery box? Would you rather, Rolex watch or a mystery box? Would you rather, trip to Maldives or a mystery box? Would you rather, eating sushi or a mystery box? Would you rather, chocolate cake or a mystery box? Would you rather, milk or a mystery box? Would you rather, handbag or a mystery gift? Would you rather, $100 or a mystery gift? Would you rather, static or a mystery gift? Would you rather, diamond ring or a mystery gift? Would you rather, ice cream or a mystery gift? Would you rather, Lamborghini or a mystery gift? Would you rather, a toy robo or a mystery gift? Would you rather, unlimited money or a mystery gift? Would you rather, private jet or a mystery gift? Would you rather, MacBook or a mystery gift? Would you rather, motorbike or a mystery gift? Would you rather, pet cat or a mystery gift? Would you rather, electric scooter or a mystery gift? Would you rather Apple Vision Pro or a mystery gift? Would you rather no junk food or a mystery gift? Would you rather unlimited pizza or a mystery gift? Would you rather subscribe to my channel or a mystery gift? Would you rather luxury villa or a mystery gift? Would you rather chocolate bar or a mystery gift? Would you rather go out with friends or a mystery gift? Would you rather skydiving or a mystery gift? Would you rather Tetris console or a mystery gift? Would you rather AirPods Max or a mystery gift? Would you rather unlimited chocolate or a mystery gift? Would you rather Disneyland or a mystery gift? Would you rather collectible cars or a mystery gift? Would you rather hot chocolate or a mystery gift? Would you rather milkshake or a mystery gift? Would you rather Candy's plate or a mystery gift? Would you rather wash dishes or a mystery gift? Would you rather McDonald's meals or a mystery gift? Thank you for watching. Like and follow for more interesting videos.